Raiden, Magnus, you have done bad, Raiden. I know that's the point. Oh, you shall be punished for your crimes, Raiden. Oh, what you gonna do? Hit me with like a Yarm's crystal or something? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh no, please don't. Well, I'm going to do it. Hold on, let me get it. Okay. Yeah, I got it. Aha. Oh no, you're actually serious. Yes, please don't do this. We can talk. No, we can't. Your day has come. Oh no. Yeah. Oh ho ho. Yay, Raiden is dead and the world is saved. So now you know if there's someone evil, just murder them with your arms crystal. This message was sponsored by Magnus the Mage. Yay.